you know what I mean, or Menelik the first being a son of Solomon, because the Queen of Sheba did not have sex with Solomon. Our records does not say that. Of course, the Ethiopians have their propaganda, but our foreparents did not say that. So who should we believe? Should we believe the foreparents of the Ethiopians or our foreparents? You know what I mean? That is a simple answer. Our foreparents. You understand? But let me show you what the Bible said the Most High have in store for the Ethiopians. This is the book of Zephaniah chapter 2 and verse 12, and it says, Ye Ethiopians also, ye shall be slain by my sword. So the Most High, you know what I mean, is preparing slaughter for the Ethiopians. So why would you want to join the Ethiopians? That don't make no sense. You understand? So with that, just like this video, share it around. You know the thing already. Shalom. ISUPK Jamaica.